Welcome to our journey through clinical research and drug development. In this video, we'll explore how new medicines are discovered, tested, and brought to patients. Drug development is a complex process that starts with an idea and ends with a product that can save lives. From laboratory experiments to clinical trials, each step is crucial. Let's dive into the world of science, innovation, and patient care and see how researchers turn hope into reality. We'll begin by understanding why clinical research is so important and how it shapes the future of healthcare. Clinical research forms the backbone of drug development. It's the process where scientists and medical professionals study diseases, test potential treatments, and gather evidence about safety and effectiveness. Without clinical research, new drugs would never reach the market. This rigorous process ensures that medicines are both safe and beneficial for patients. Researchers work tirelessly to design studies, recruit participants, and analyze data. Their efforts help us understand how drugs work and who can benefit most. Let's see how clinical research drives innovation in medicine. Drug development begins in the laboratory with discovery and preclinical testing. Scientists identify promising compounds and test them in cell cultures and animal models. These early experiments help researchers understand how a drug works, its potential benefits, and any risks. Preclinical testing is essential before moving to human trials. It's a phase where safety, toxicity, and biological activity are closely monitored. Only compounds that show promise and pass strict safety standards can advance to the next stage. This careful approach protects future trial participants and ensures only the best candidates move forward. Phase 1 clinical trials mark the first time a new drug is tested in humans. These studies involve a small group of healthy volunteers and focus on safety. Researchers monitor how the drug is absorbed, metabolized, and excreted. They look for side effects and determine the best dosage. Phase 1 trials are critical for identifying potential risks and ensuring the drug is safe enough to proceed. The data collected here lays the foundation for future study. It's a cautious step, but necessary to protect participants and guide the development process. Phase 2 clinical trials expand the testing to a larger group of patients who have the targeted disease or condition. These studies evaluate the drug's effectiveness and continue to monitor safety. Researchers compare results against a placebo or existing treatments. Phase 2 trials help determine whether the drug works as intended and identify any side effects. This stage is crucial for refining dosage and understanding how the drug interacts with the body. Successful Phase 2 trials pave the way for even larger studies in Phase 3. Phase 3 clinical trials are the largest and most comprehensive stage of testing. Thousands of patients participate, and the drug is compared to standard treatments or placebos. Researchers gather extensive data on effectiveness, safety, and side effects. This phase provides the evidence needed for regulatory approval. Phase 3 trials are often conducted across multiple sites and countries, ensuring diverse populations are included. The results help determine whether the drug should be approved for widespread use. It's a pivotal moment in drug development where science meets patient care. After successful clinical trials, the drug undergoes regulatory review. Agencies like the FDA or EMA evaluate the data to ensure the drug is safe and effective. This process involves detailed analysis of trial results, manufacturing practices, and labeling. Regulators may request additional studies or clarifications. Approval means the drug can be marketed and prescribed to patients. It's a rigorous process that protects public health and ensures high standards. Regulatory review is the final checkpoint before a new medicine reaches the market. Once a drug is approved and available to patients, post-marketing surveillance begins. This ongoing process monitors the drug's safety and effectiveness in real-world settings. Healthcare providers and patients report any side effects or unexpected outcomes. Regulators use this information to update guidelines, issue warnings, or even withdraw drugs if necessary. Post-marketing surveillance ensures that medicines remain safe and effective throughout their life cycle. It's a vital part of protecting public health and maintaining trust in medical innovation. Ethics play a central role in clinical research and drug development. Researchers must protect participants' rights, ensure informed consent, and maintain confidentiality. Ethical guidelines are enforced by review boards and regulatory agencies. These standards safeguard vulnerable populations and promote fairness. Ethical conduct builds trust between researchers, participants, and the public. Without strong ethics, clinical research could harm individuals or undermine scientific progress. Let's explore how ethics guide every step of drug development. Recruiting patients for clinical trials is often challenging. Researchers must find individuals who meet strict criteria and are willing to participate. This process can be time-consuming and costly. Diverse recruitment ensures that trial results are applicable to different populations. Strategies include outreach, education, and partnerships with healthcare providers. Overcoming recruitment challenges is essential for successful trials and reliable results. Let's see how researchers address these obstacles and engage patients in the research process. Managing and analyzing data is a critical part of clinical research. Researchers collect vast amounts of information from trials, including patient outcomes, side effects, and laboratory results. Advanced software and statistical methods help organize and interpret this data. Accurate analysis ensures reliable conclusions and guides decision-making. Data management also protects patient privacy and maintains integrity. Let's explore how technology supports clinical research and improves drug development. Drug development is a collaborative effort. Scientists, clinicians, regulatory agencies, and pharmaceutical companies work together to advance new medicines. Collaboration accelerates innovation, shares expertise, and pools resources. Partnerships with universities, hospitals, and patient groups enhance research quality. Effective teamwork is essential for overcoming challenges and achieving breakthroughs. Let's see how collaboration shapes the future of clinical research. Innovation drives progress in drug development. New technologies such as artificial intelligence and genomics are transforming how researchers discover and test medicines. Innovative approaches speed up the process, reduce costs, and improve outcomes. Personalized medicine tailors treatments to individual patients, increasing effectiveness. Let's explore how innovation is changing the landscape of clinical research and drug development. Clinical trials are conducted worldwide, involving diverse populations and healthcare systems. Global trials provide valuable insights into how drugs work across different regions. They help identify variations in effectiveness and safety. Conducting international studies requires careful planning, coordination, and compliance with local regulations. Global trials expand access to new treatments and accelerate drug development. Let's see how international collaboration benefits patients everywhere. Drug development faces many challenges, including high costs, lengthy timelines, and regulatory hurdles. Researchers must balance innovation with safety and compliance. Unexpected results or side effects can delay progress. Funding and resource limitations also impact research. Despite these challenges, the drive to improve patient care motivates scientists to persevere. Let's examine the obstacles and how researchers overcome them. Many life-saving drugs have emerged from clinical research and drug development. Success stories inspire researchers and patients alike. Breakthroughs in cancer, infectious diseases, and chronic conditions have transformed healthcare. These achievements result from years of dedication, innovation, and collaboration. Let's celebrate some of the most impactful discoveries and their benefits for society. The ultimate goal of drug development is to improve patient outcomes. New medicines offer hope, relief, and better quality of life. Clinical research ensures that treatments are safe, effective, and accessible. Patient stories highlight the real-world impact of scientific progress. Researchers strive to address unmet needs and deliver solutions. Let's see how drug development changes lives and shapes the future of healthcare. The future of clinical research and drug development is bright. Advances in technology, data analytics, and personalized medicine will accelerate progress. Researchers are exploring new approaches such as gene therapy and immunotherapy. Ongoing innovation promises safer, more effective treatments. The commitment to patient care and scientific discovery drives the industry forward. Let's look ahead to what's next in drug development. Patients are at the heart of clinical research and drug development. Their participation, feedback, and experiences shape the process. Researchers value patient input and strive to make trials accessible and inclusive. Patient advocacy groups support research and raise awareness. Engaging patients ensures that new treatments meet real needs and improve lives. Let's recognize the vital role patients play in advancing medicine. Clinical research and drug development are complex, collaborative, and essential for advancing healthcare. From discovery to post-marketing surveillance, each step ensures that new medicines are safe and effective. Ethics, innovation, and patient involvement drive progress. Despite challenges, researchers remain committed to improving lives. The journey from laboratory to patient is filled with dedication and hope. Let's remember the key points and appreciate the impact of clinical research. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of clinical research and drug development. The process is demanding but rewarding, offering new solutions for patients worldwide. As science advances, so does our ability to tackle diseases and improve health. The collaboration between researchers, patients, and regulators ensures that progress continues. Stay curious and informed about the latest developments in medicine. Together, we can build a healthier future.